The Alberta Legislature brings Yuletide cheer to thousands of visitors every holiday season. The centerpiece of the grounds is a large Christmas tree to help Albertans celebrate the season. It all starts in the forest near Edson, where the tree is carefully selected. To protect its branches, workers load the tree onto a specially prepared flatbed trailer. The tree then makes the trip to Edmonton. The journey takes place in the early morning hours when there's little traffic. Later that morning, workers lift the tree into a stand and secure it. Over the following days, they continue to prepare and decorate the tree with lights. Thousands of multicolored lights have also been strung on the surrounding trees. So when the time comes,
3, 2, 1, go!
The grounds are bathed in a spectacular display for all to enjoy. Among Alberta families and visitors, a trip to the legislature over the holidays is a long-standing tradition. Thanks to all those who make it happen. It's a little bit of magic on a cold winter's night.